So, LibreTube looked at the official YouTube app and said, what if we removed the ads, the tracking, the forced account stuff, and the feeling that Google is sitting in your living room taking notes?
Nice.
Meet LibreTube, a free open source Android YouTube frontend focused on privacy and a cleaner viewing experience. It does not require a YouTube account or Google Play services, and F-Droid says it adds features like sponsor block, D-arrow, subscription groups, playlist bookmarks, and private playlists. On paper, this app is basically YouTube for people who enjoy videos but not being followed around the internet like a celebrity with no security team. LibreTube can use Piped for better privacy, or newer versions can use full local mode, which lets the app work more independently from Piped by making requests directly, similar to NewPipe. Now, users clearly like the idea. Reddit posts praise LibreTube for having a cleaner and more modern interface than NewPipe, plus useful features like background playback, downloads, picture-in-picture, audio-only mode, playlists, and subscriptions. One user even said they came back after updates and found the app stunning. That is a strong compliment in open source land, where people usually express love by filing bug reports politely. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. LibreTube depends on a moving target. YouTube changes, piped instances, and extraction issues can break things. Reddit users have reported videos not loading, no working instances, random problems, and confusion over whether the app is broken or YouTube is just being YouTube again. So yes, LibreTube is powerful, but sometimes it behaves like a genius roommate who forgets rent day. Final verdict: LibreTube is a great pick if you want a private, open source YouTube experience with no account requirement. Cleaner design, sponsor block, downloads, background play, and more control. But if you want perfect reliability every single day, the official YouTube app still wins by brute force. LibreTube is best for privacy lovers who can handle the occasional "why is nothing loading" adventure. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.